Check out this makeup air unit, Valent. Never heard of this brand. So it's got variable speed compressor, got your modulating hot gas valve, got the microprocessor right there, giving all the temperatures. Got your typical first incline supply fan. And over here, you got full electronic expansion valve. It's got a microchannel reheat coil right there. Doesn't have an enthalpy wheel on this one. Pretty cool. And it's got the variable speed condenser fan over there. Interesting unit. Never heard of this brand. I don't know if it's actually made by another or what it is. And it is R454B. Check it out.